continue into March on the treasure chest lid. I have made some strides ahead on it. Show where I'm at now, real quick. I glued it in place, looks good inside. I glued this to it to keep the laminate tight. So I've got to like unpeel it here and glue that yet on both sides. I'm not a very good woodworker, so this is how it's going when you're an amateur. See, there we go. The plywood's been layered right here, so it's a little bit thick. Alright. Okay, here's how it's coming along so far. I got the top seam. This is a week later. It's coming along good. Gotta do some sanding, take the glue off of there.